Okay, how is this elephant built like it just unlocked a premium body part? Bro straight up used the fifth leg like a Swiss Army knife. Man's multitasking with soul. I sneeze and dislocate my spine. This dude scratching his belly with his joystick. That thing had more precision than a surgeon on 3 Red Bulls. Meanwhile, I use my arm and still miss the itchy spot. That's not a zoo animal. That's an advanced utility system. I'm disturbed, impressed, and slightly jealous, mostly disturbed.